Welcome guys to Arbatax. This is the fourth episode of our sustainable travel in Sardinia. We are traveling to Tortolì, Arbatax and Barisardo, the blue zones in Sardinia. I'm Maria and I'm a sustainable traveler and I'm the founder of Viaggiare Green. Thanks to Ecobnb, we're now here in Arbatax and we will tell you everything that you have to do here, from where you have to eat to where you can spend the night and what kind of activities you can do here. This project is about telling you how to visit Sardinia in a sustainable way and just letting you know that Sardinia is not just beaches and coast. So travel sustainable with us. The fourth stop of our green trip to Sardinia is none other than Arbatax, a very famous tourist harbor and coastal hamlet of Tortolì. One of the first things you'll notice about this place are the Rocce Rosse, high reddish cliffs which are located next to the harbor, offering an unforgettable view, to say the least. Now, let's go and discover them more closely. Think about that this is such a distinctive scenery that it has been immortalized in movies and music festivals such as Red Rocks Blues and Red Valley. It almost resembles a natural red-colored cathedral emerging from emerald green waters. Guys, what a paradise. People here come and just jump off the cliff. And the spectacular contrast is guaranteed. And now we head to Cala Moresca and in Arbatax. We're located inside the town of Arbatax, in front of one of the beauties of Ogliastra, a bay that will fascinate you with its transparent water, the shades of its sea, and its breathtaking view. So here on our back, Cala Moresca. I think it's a special spot. If you want to enjoy your time by yourself, it's probably the perfect place. You can go to your stand-up paddle, or if you just want to take a swim. And the water is absolutely blue and green. We head to another part of Tortolì, Porto Frailis Beach, surfers' favorite destination on windy days like today. The clearness of the sea, the sustainability, and the appropriate services around it have very often earned it the FII Blue Flag recognition. Welcome to Porto Frailis. We just got here to Porto Frailis. Now we're gonna get some sandwich or just something from that place right there. So here in Sardinia, at least once in your lifetime, you have to try the calzone. Some people decide to get a truck to prepare sandwiches or burgers in their truck. And they sell them near some beaches or some spots that they know they're very, very busy in the summer. It's time for lunch and we were starving and wanted to try something typical, so we opted for 2 sandwiches, including one with very fresh octopus. Eating from local trucks is a very great way to taste fresh, organic, local, and also very good food. Cheers! We picked up our sandwiches and went to eat them in our favorite spot during the summer, the beach. After a delicious lunch, a bar inside a hotel on the beach strikes our attention. We decided to go there for a coffee, but mostly to enjoy the amazing view of the sea. Nothing can beat a good coffee in front of the sea. We now leave Porto Frailis and head to the San Gemiliano viewpoint for a short hike to the homonymous tower. We overlook the lookout point and we immediately notice San Gemiliano Beach to our right. Then we can start the trail. Don't worry, because it will be a very nice walk surrounded by nature. The Tower of San Gemiliano is one of the 105 lookout fortifications built to guard the coast of Sardinia and protect it from any enemies trying to reach the mainland. In September, on the feast of San Gemiliano and during Holy Easter, it was tradition to fire a few powerful cannon shots from the tower. The view from here is unbelievably beautiful. If you've seen the third episode where we are in Dorgani, you will recognize from here the Supramonte area. And a sunny day like ours could only enhance the view from this beautiful tower. It is worth a visit, even at night, for an even more impressive feeling. We're finally in Cala Ginepro, where you can get lost in its natural beauty, being in total relax. Cala Ginepro is a small jewel of Ogliastra, whose name comes from a pine forest of junipers, close to the shoreline, where you can take shelter in the hottest hours. It is the ideal place if you love small beaches, whose charm comes from the combination of sea, beach, and greenery around. A must-see destination in your vacation in Ogliastra.
Good morning, everyone. This is just how Sardinian eat breakfast.
And we're here thanks to the platform Ecobnb that allows travelers to find and book all kinds of environmentally friendly accommodations online.
We just enjoy having breakfast outside, in our garden, or in our terrace.
We chose to stay in an Ecobnb not only for the environmental benefits, because it reduces the impact on the planet, but also for the benefits on our health and to support the local economy.
We spent just one day in the territory of Tortolì and Arbatax, and this time I think it was a more relaxing green trip. We saw some natural beauty like the Red Rocks in Arbatax, the symbol of the village, or Cala Moresca, which with its enchanting colors looked like some tropical beaches. It was a short trip where we spent most of our time at the beach, but in a different way from what people usually do in the summer. We tasted local food, we got to see some archaeological structures, and we spent the night in a cute Ecobnb right in the center of the village. We hope you like this location on the east coast of Sardinia, and we really hope we've giving you some good tips to travel sustainable and responsible in Sardinia. Keep following us in the next destination because we're driving 12 minutes to another gem of Sardinia, Barisardo.